Hey everybody, Chris G here, Positively Progressing. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we have another ear training quiz, or what I like to call a midweek musical quiz to challenge your ears. And today we're going to be focusing on triads. So we're only going to be playing major triads, minor triads, diminished triads, and augmented triads. Now they're going to be in any inversion, and I may play 3 notes like this, or I might play 4 notes like this. So without further ado, let's get started. That was C minor triad. Number 2. If you said major, you were right. That was B major. B as in booyah. All right, number 3. All right, that was diminished. D diminished. And first inversion with that F up top. On to number 4. Here we go. Okay, that was A minor. Here's number 5. Okay, that was F augmented. F augmented. Number 6. All right, that was major. E major. Number 7. All right, number 7, that was D major. So try to make that one easy for you. Just a nice, simple D major triad. Number 8, here we go, number 8. Alright, if you said minor, or if you heard minor, I should say, because you're not saying anything to me, unless you're writing a comment below. That was B flat minor. There it is. Alright, number 9, 2 to go. Here we go. That was A flat major. A flat major. All right, last one, here we go. Hope you're excited. Hope you're doing well. Okay, that was augmented. So G augmented, B augmented, E flat or D sharp augmented. All the above are correct. So how'd you guys do today? Hope you did well. Hope your ears are starting to hear some of these different qualities of chords. And let me know in the comments below how you did and if you want me to keep doing these. I'm more than happy to do them. I hope you're getting something out of them. I hope you're learning, of course, and most of all, hope you're having fun. Ear training can sometimes be a drag, but it's an essential thing that we need to do to help improve our musicianship and just overall just develop us and grow as musicians. And I'm here, I guess, to be that ear training Sherpa or whatever. Well, until next time, always positive, always progressing. Later.